Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, this is DKE Vlogs. In my channel I do a lot of vlogs. You can just go through my videos and like and subscribe. And in today's video I'm going to do my first driving test, and my husband is the one teaching me. I'm so curious to learn how to drive. You know, when a lady drives a car, it looks super sexy, you know. And we were just checking if everything is okay, and this is me already entered the driver's seat, and I was just pulling the seat to the front because it was few meters from the steering wheel, and I was just doing some adjustments there, and I was now preparing to start to drive. I was so confident because, you know, confidence, when you have the confidence, of course you will learn whatever you want to learn. And yeah, I was preparing and just listening to my instructor, who is my husband. And yeah, I was just following his lead. Whatever he says I do, whatever he says I don't do, I don't do. So yeah, I was just trying to drive ahead, and I was so focused on the road. As you can see, I was super confident. One thing with me, I'm always confident in whatever I do. And you know, interest, when interest meets curiosity, of course you learn. Okay, so he was just directing me to follow the road the way it is, so that we don't go into the trenches. Yeah. I was about to go into the trenches, so I was just trying to turn the steering wheel to the left. Yeah, and just put it on the road. So yeah, that was it. I drove for 50 meters. I'm driving as a learner, and that is my teacher, my good teacher.
I'm a fail hard driving test.
No, it's my first time. You know, such a skill requires time. By the one who just can't just know how to drive. There's some things you need to know.
Hata hiyo video nitumie.
I'm a learner. Hebu ambia watu ukweli. Ambia watu ukweli.
She did her best.
Thank you. My first time. Kitu ni interest. Unajua ukiwa na interest, you are likely to learn faster. Yeah.